So what am I gonna cook for lunch today? Well, I'm gonna first take out my air fryer and line it up with the aluminum foil. And I've got garlic salt, parsley leaves, and paprika. And of course my slice of salmon steak, which I have defrosted. And this is my spring onion and the Bombay onion, which I have cut into slices. First is to take out the garlic salt and put it into a small bowl together with the rest of the ingredients for a mixture so that I can actually coat the salmon fish slice steak with the ingredients that I've chosen. I like garlic salt because there's a very nice fragrance, and it's also because it's healthy, and the salt is good because it gives you a little bit of salty taste once you have fried the salmon. Okay, what's next into the mixture is ground paprika or paprika ground. This is for a little bit of a spiciness to the mixture. If you like a little bit of spiciness to add to the taste of salmon when it's cooked. And of course, parsley leaves. Add a little bit of green taste, a little bit of spicy herbal smell to it. Wow, I'm getting hungry. So I've got all these ingredients in the little bowl. Yeah, and then I'm going to spread it over the salmon. Normally I will just spray it on top of the skin, and then I will put it into the air fryer to cook rather than coat both sides. So I think one side should be sufficient. Maybe you can adjust the amount of quantity of the spices according to your taste, how salty you like, how much of spiciness, how much of the paprika you require. It's all very much up to your individual taste, but basically this is how I do it, and you can follow, but you can also use and adjust the ingredients according to what you like. Simple and easy to do, and simple and easy to cook, and of course simple and easy to eat once you have done all that. Isn't that wonderful? Okay, I've got the aluminium foil lined in my air fry basket, and I'm going to put in the salmon steak into the air fry basket, after which I'm going to put it in the air fryer to cook, and we have a lovely meal. Okay, it's going in. Now, salmon steak is good in that you don't have to cook it for too long. So what I normally do is I try to do it about 200 degrees and about 8 minutes. But of course you can put it less or more according to how you like it, and whether you like it a bit more fresh or you like it a bit more roasted and crispy. So I like it like this way. It's a little bit crispy and a little bit of you can see the oil actually coming out from the salmon, which is, don't worry, it's healthy oil for omega-3. There it is, a completed dish, and I'm going to put in some of the spring onions on top to add color. And what I like about the Bombay onions is it adds a bit of tangy taste to the salmon fish as you eat, and you can cut a slice of the Bombay onion to eat together with the spring onions. And there we have it, a finished lunch for yourselves. So simple and easy to cook with just about 8 minutes, or a bit more time or less according to how well you like your steak cooked. Thank you very much.